How are you?
Hi, fine, thank you.
What's your name and what do you do?
So my name is Christian Lanng. I'm the CEO and co-founder of a company called Tradeshift. And what we do is we connect businesses all over the world in a business network. Yeah.
Can you tell us more about your company?
Yeah. So Tradeshift is what we call a business network, a B2B network. And what it means is if you have a business of any type, you can go to tradeshift.com, you can create a profile for free, and you can invite all your suppliers and customers to join you in a network. You can then do trading with them, like invoices, orders, payments. So it's a little bit like an accounting system, but it's social and distributed like Facebook.
Sounds really interesting. So what I want to know, why do you come up with this idea and why do you think it's going to work in the future?
So I've been working with electronic invoicing and doing business online for the last 5 years. And I was always frustrated that all this stuff was very mechanical. It was built by engineers and not like people meet. So you and I, we meet today and we might have a business relation later. So I wanted something that worked a little bit like social networks when you do business, but allowed you to do real transactions like payments and invoices and so on.
Okay. So does it work from across the boundaries, country boundaries?
Yeah, so Tradeshift is growing all over the world today. We are in more than 170 countries and there's more than 2,000 companies joining every week. And I think one of the reasons is it's completely free, and if you have a small business you can use it for all your invoicing. So it works just like an invoicing tool, but you have the added benefit of having the social network with it too.
Okay, wow, sounds great. Sounds like a really big business. What is the size of your company?
So today we are 50 people working in Tradeshift with more than 18 different nationalities. So we are a really global company, and we do that too because we build a global vision and we have an idea of connecting the whole globe with all businesses all over the world.
So where's the headquarters located?
So we have most of our development today in Denmark, Copenhagen, but we have financial services in London, and we are also often here, and we are actually also in Brazil, and we also work sometimes in Singapore.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Wow, sounds good. So I would like to invite you to speak a little bit about how do you envision your new idea to change the business in the future?
Yeah.
The way how they do business.
So every year more new businesses are coming out of China, India, and most of Asia that are using technology to trade and connect. They're using stuff like invoicing, they're using new tools, and we see a really big chance to give them some new tools to connect all over the globe and do their business in a global way from the beginning.
Thank you. And I think the final question is that how fast do you think you are going to do IPO?
So hopefully within the next 3 years. So we are growing with more than 2,000 companies per week right now, which is a massive number, and we see more. China and India is growing faster than the US. So we think this is a really big area, and just like you have a Facebook for consumers, you'll have one for businesses.
Yeah. And I think one final question is that we are representing a design magazine background.
Yeah.
I would like to ask your opinion of how do you work with interaction designers and how do you see their capability to execute your idea? So
that's actually a really important thing for us, and I think we are from Scandinavia, and I think design is very much a part of Scandinavian culture, and we've been working from the very, very beginning to make sure that the product was usable for all types of companies, no matter where they were in the world. So we've been working, we have a huge team of interaction designers. They're actually the team leads for most of our development efforts. So it's an interaction designer who takes the direction. We have a big user research department that actually call out, talk to our users, find out how they use it, and feed that back into the design process. So it's something that's extremely important for us from the beginning. And something you can also see if you use the product, that it's very simple, very clean user interface and so on.
Okay, so some of the idea might actually came out from IT in the design part?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can say, we had the technical stuff, but we combined it in completely new ways, and that came from our designers.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, no problem. Really good meeting you. Thank you for the time. Bye.